Welcome back to the Cairngorms, everyone. Just came off the first Munro summit there, and yeah, quite windy, very unsettled, and what a big difference it is when you start to drop a couple hundred metres. But we do have a bit of shelter from the wind at the moment, so you can't see much of it, but that's the mountain that we'll be camping on tonight, completely covered in cloud. And I think it's to remain like this the whole camp basically going into tomorrow. It is to settle down tomorrow, but we'll be off the summits by then. So yes, don't know if you'll see them. Got two others with me, one being Monty. So yeah, it's good to see Monty as well. Our first camp together in quite some time, probably just over 2 months. And yeah, most of my trips have been solo this year, so yeah, like I said, it's good to have a bit of company. So maybe another 100 metres of dropping down off this Munro before we start climbing up the next one. Been good walking so far, a wee bit difficult at times, but yeah, can't complain, it's been very enjoyable. So I'll catch you all at the summit, and yeah, we'll get the tents pitched up. I'll see you then. Need to go and catch them up now. So it's a wee bit unsettled, the weather. Bit of light rain. Wouldn't say the wind's that bad, to be fair. But yeah, we're all pitched up now, just off the summit of Skarnakfmore. I tried to pronounce it. So yeah, unfortunately I've had issues with the main microphone, the one that sits on top of the camera. I think it's just the rain more than anything. So I'm not going to risk really going out when it's raining. I think for now on I'm going to have to try and keep that big mic covered in the rain, maybe just use the Rode microphones when it's like this. So anyway, it's about what, 5:30 maybe, 5:45. Only got about maybe 2 hours of daylight. Another wayfarer meal which I'm going to make the now, just to heat myself up more than anything. So yes, I've checked the forecast, very poor visibility all night. The wind, like I say, is not too bad, 27 mile an hour gusts. Light rain, drizzle, nothing too serious to be fair. It's okay once you get the tent up. So yeah, I'm going to get the stove on and I'm going to make a bite to eat right now. Maybe show you the views that I've got from inside the tent as well. Nothing. Right, let's get the stove on. You might hear they two talking in the background, but here is the view. I'll lift these up and out. Not a fan of this sort of camping, to be honest, but there you go. Much prefer views. I know you guys enjoy this sort of camping, so it's for you.
This is the benefit of this little vestibule here.
Now I must admit, think out the three of us, I'm the one that's feeling the cold the most. They're all wandering about doing what they need to do and filming and stuff, and I'm just hiding in here trying to get a warm meal. So yeah, I actually attempted filming the summit when I arrived, and unfortunately the audio wasn't very good in the video, so I'm going to go back up there and maybe just do a piece to camera up there at the summit. The rain kind of comes and goes, the wind's kind of consistent, it's not too strong. What else can I really say about this trip, or about what's going on right now? It's flat ground, good pegging ground. We're all reasonably close together. I'm facing away from them because of the wind, but I can hear them. So yeah, it's, apart from this microphone messing up, everything's going quite well, so I'm going to let that dry out and then see how it goes on my next trip. I'm not going to use it the rest of this trip, I'm just going to go with the road bikes. So yeah, nothing really else to report on. Just waiting for this to heat up. Can't wait to eat it though. You might see our tents in the background. Might not. It's really misty up here. Poor visibility, definitely. And this is the summit. My hair is all over the place. Right, so yeah, this is it. This is what we're looking out for. Coming up this Munro, Scotland 4, the Drumochter. I'm going to go back to the tent, absolutely bombed it. Oh wow, it's absolutely freezing up here. So we've got an MSR Elixir 1, Vango Starav 200. This is my tent. Southern Cross one. Right, I'll go back inside. Can't feel my hands anymore. Absolutely nothing out there. So yes, I tried to film the summit about 20 minutes ago. It's starting to get dark now. Sunset's probably in the next 10 minutes maybe. I mean, it's going to get dark really quickly with the weather being the way it is. And yeah, I think it's mostly wind noise. You probably never heard what I said. But that's what you're looking out for when you come up here. When you're getting to the summit. It's 991 or 991 metres. Yeah, some size of a mountain this one actually. Bigger than it looks. You can see these from the A9. Doesn't look like a big walk, but it took us 5 hours to get around and we're not even obviously done the route. We stopped a lot though. Obviously the camping gear slows you down, you know. I can't say I filmed much on this trip, to be honest. It's been mostly just try and keep going really, but we have stopped a lot, like I said. The best bit of the walk's that walk in. Absolutely superb views on the way up to the Munros. Great low level track for a few kilometres. Take a bike if you want, but I would actually personally just walk that. It's not too bad. So yeah. Alright folks, so that soup was amazing. Oh, definitely need to start bringing more of that up here. Up the mountains and the hills. What a difference it makes. Now I'm roasting hot. I will only go outside the tent now if I really need to. I can't say the weather's that bad now. Very unsettled throughout the day, as you would have seen. One of my microphones have paid the price, so I'll need to see how that is when I get home. Hopefully it dries out and it's okay tomorrow. I'm going to try it out tomorrow, but I've been using the lovely Rode Wireless Go. Highly recommend these microphones to anyone who wants to get into YouTube and wants to do the sort of filming I do with the tripod, setting up and talking away from the camera. Very reliable microphone. Seem okay in the bad weather as well. I can't say the big microphone's done well today, but yes, my fault. For now on I need to keep that big mic protected or only use these when the weather's bad. Anyway, apart from that, the trip's been very enjoyable. Yeah, definitely, it's been okay. You know what, it's a nice area, Drumochter. It's one of my favourite places. It's my favourite part of the A9, you know, the fact that the hills and mountains kind of close in at that part. Makes for some really good views and photos if you're pulling into the laybys. So yes, highly recommend Drumochter. It's a good place, you know, it's not bad at all. As for the rest of the night, I'm done. Gonna wrap it up and nice and warm in the sleeping bag, but I'm gonna zip the dinner up and just relax, maybe have an early night, and yeah, catch you all in the morning. Hopefully the weather's better for the walk out, maybe get some views. Still not had a view on top of a mountain in this area yet. This is my 5th summit, and all 5 have been clag. One day I'll get a view in Drumochter. Right, I'll catch you all in the morning. Well, good morning everyone. It's very rare I do this, filming inside a tent like this, but I've no choice. It looks like this is the trip where I've destroyed my electrics. Both my microphones are done, so I'm going to have to see if I can dry them off, or I'm going to have to buy new ones. So this is a view that I've got from inside my tent. So absolutely no point in continuing filming, is it? So last week I done Ben a go and I gave that a 9 out of 10. I've started giving everything a score out of 10. Yeah, in terms of where I'm camping. And what would you give this out of 10? I'm going to go 7. 7 out of 10. It's actually better than I thought it would be. Quite happy the clouds cleared. Nice view down the A9. I've always seen this peak from the A9 though. It's quite nice. It's quite rounded, you know. So it's nice to see the A9 from the summit of this mountain now. So anyway guys, I'm going to wrap the video up here. So I hope you've enjoyed it. You can tell I'm a wee bit annoyed about the microphones, but yeah, we'll see if I can sort that out when I get home. So yeah, anyway, till my next trip, take care.